Greetings and welcome. In this session, we will take numerical on continuity equation.
So in today's session, already we have covered theory on the continuity equation. On the base of continuity equation, numerical, if we see, there are 2 to 3 classes. Numerical on continuity equation. Continuity equation we have seen 3-dimensional continuity equation. Dα u by dα x plus dα v by dα y plus dα w by dα z is equal to 0. This is a 3-dimensional continuity equation. This continuity equation is when satisfied, then we say that flow is a possible. 3-dimensional flow is a possible, and this is applicable for water, means incompressible fluid. Okay, so here we are going to see numerical whether the continuity equation is possible or not. Okay, when the sum of dα u by means that differential component in x, y and z direction, if sum of these 3 components is 0, then we have to mention their comment as a flow is a possible and equation is satisfied, continuity equation is satisfied. If this sum is not equal to 0, then we say that continuity equation is not satisfied, means that flow is not possible. For example, write down statement of the numerical. For an incompressible fluid, the velocity components are write down u is equal to x cube minus y cube minus z square into x. V component y cube minus z cube, and W component minus 3x square z minus 3y square z plus z cube divided by 3. Z cube divided by 3. What is our aim? Find whether the equation is which equation? This continuity equation is satisfied or not. Satisfied or not. Find or determine, different words may be there. Okay, so in this case what you have to do? Solution. In that you take first of all u is equal to x cube minus y cube minus z square into x. Okay, we know that continuity equation is what? Differential component. So we have to differentiate this equation with respect to x, dα u by dα x. Means in this case other parameters y and z, these will be constant. Differentiation of x cube with respect to x, that will be what? 3x square, derivative of x cube. Y cube is a constant, its derivative is 0. Minus sign, z square is a constant into x derivative with respect to x is 1. So this equation is what? 3x square minus z square. Okay, this is for u, velocity. Similarly, follow the method for other components. V velocity equation is given. Here we have to find differential component for the velocity v, that is dα v by dα y. So differentiation of y cube with respect to y means what? 3 y square minus this z cube is a constant for the y with respect to y, that is why it will come 0. So dabba v by dabba y, that comes 3y square. Third component is w, that is equal to minus 3x square z minus 3y square z plus z cube by 3 divided by 3. So here differentiation of this with respect to third direction z means dabba w by dabba z. In that case here minus 3x square is a constant, derivative of z is with respect to z, that is 1, minus 3y square constant, derivative of z 1, minus plus 1 by 3 as it is z cube, derivative will be what, 3 into z square. In this case 3 will get cancelled. So finally it will come minus 3x square minus 3y square plus z square. Okay, these are the three components. Okay, now what we have to do to determine, here I will show here, we have to take sum of these three, dabba u by dabba x plus dabba v by dabba y plus dabba w by dabba z is equal to, write down all the components what we have got. Dabba u by dabba x we have got 3x square minus z square. Okay, dabba v by dabba y plus 3y square and dabba w by dabba z here, that is minus 3x square minus 3y square plus z square. If you observe this equation, what happens? Here is a plus 3x square, here is minus 3x square. Here is minus z square, here is a plus z square. And here is a plus 3y square, here is a minus 3y square. Means all these components or all these expressions are getting subtracted from each other, means getting cancelled. So that is why we here find dabba u by dabba x plus dabba v by dabba y plus dabba w by dabba z is equal to 0. As per the theory, summation of these three differential velocity components comes 0. Means in this case we say that continuity equation is satisfied, and ultimate meaning of this is what? Flow. Which flow? Already here is mentioned that this equation is governing incompressible. So incompressible flow is possible for this example only. Okay, so in this way we can solve the numerical for the given velocity components, and as per the right hand side what we get, as per that we mention the statement. When the answer comes 0, continuity equation is satisfied. When answer is not coming equal to 0, continuity equation is not satisfied, and in that case we have to write flow is not possible. Okay, so this is the one category of the numerical, or first category of this numerical. So second numerical, where the case is given, second numerical, here component u is equal to 4xy plus y square. Component v is 6xy plus 3x is given, and in this case it is said that this continuity equation is for steady and incompressible fluid flow. For whether it is asked whether this equation, whether continuity equation, whether flow is possible or not, whether flow is possible or not. So same way we have to do. Here are the two components. So in this case solution, we will have here delta u by delta x. So first of all, u is equal to, write down 4xy plus y square. So delta u by delta x with respect to x, derivative will be what? 4xy, 4y constant into derivative of x1 plus y square derivative 0. V component 6xy plus 3x, derivative of this with respect to y, delta v by delta y. In this case 6x is a constant, derivative of y is a 1, plus 3x constant whole, that is why derivative is 0. So here delta u by delta x is a 4y and delta v by delta y is a 6x. Okay, as per the theory, take delta u by delta x plus delta v by delta y is equal to 4y plus 6x is equal to 10x. Okay, sorry, not 4y plus 6x. Now this right hand side, that is not equal to 0, means here the continuity equation is not satisfied. So here statement or comment for this numerical is what? Here continuity equation is not satisfied. Hence flow is not possible. Flow is not possible. So in the last equation we had three components, we got all the differential components sum 0, that's why we said continuity equation satisfied and flow was possible. But for this numerical, two-dimensional numerical, sum of the differentiation component that is not equal to 0, that is why continuity equation is not satisfied and flow is impossible. Okay, in this way we have to solve the different numericals which are based on the continuity equation.
So at the end of this session you can solve numerical on continuity equation. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for further video sessions. Thank you.